Welcome to Aarti's Education. Today we are going to learn about our chapter 8 divisibility. In last standard we learned about the test of divisibilities for 2, 5, 10 and how it can be used in maths. In this chapter, in 6th standard, we are going to learn about the divisibility test for 3, 4 and 9 and how it can be applied for given numbers. We also learned for that. So, look here. Let's recall. The first question is asked here. Write the divisibility test for 2, 5 and 10. You have to recite the divisibility test because it's very useful to you while solving questions in maths. So don't forget the divisibility test and just recite them very well. It is useful to you in 7th standard also. The first question, write the divisibility test for 2, 5 and 10. We are going to write the answer for it. Divisibility test for 2. In 2's divisibility test, if there is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the unit place of the given number, then the number is a multiple of 2 or it is exactly divisible by 2. Just write this test, it's your answer. If there is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the unit place of given number, then the number is a multiple of 2 or exactly divisible by 2. In this test, we just have to look the unit place of the each and every given number for applying the divisibility test. This is the answer for divisibility test for 2. Then we have to write the divisibility test of 5. Just write here divisibility test of 5. The test is if there is 0 or 5 in the unit place of given number, then the number is a multiple of 5 or exactly divisible by 5. Here I forget to write SI. Now the third test we are going to write here for 10. Divisibility test for 10 is if there is 0 in the unit place of given number, then the number is a multiple of 10 or is exactly divisible by 10. So here our first question's answer is complete. Now the second question they ask us, read the numbers given below. Which of these numbers are divisible by 2, by 5 or by 10? Write them in the empty boxes. Here they give some numbers. For numbers divisible by 2, divisible by 5 and divisible by 10, to identify it, we have to just look at their unit place of each and every given number's unit place. So here the number is 125 and its unit place is 5. On the unit place there is a 5. So our divisibility test tell us that if there is 0 or 5 in the unit place of given number, then the number is exactly divisible by 5. And here we have to write 125 in the column of divisible by 5. Now the next number is 364. Here the unit place is 4. Just look at the unit place and forget all these digits. In the unit place there is 4, and we know that if there is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the unit place of given number, then it is divisible by 2. So just write here 364. Now the next number is 475. In the unit place of 475, the digit is 5 and 5 is divisible by 5. So just write here 475 in divisible by 5's table. Now look here, 750. Here unit place have 0 digit, and when there is 0 or 5 in the unit place, then the number is divisible by 5. So we are going to write here 750. And in the tens test also, if there is 0 in the unit place, then the number is also divisible by 10. So just write here 750 in divisible by 10's table also. Now this one is 800 and the unit place shows us the digit 0. So we are going to write 800 divisible by 5's table and divisible by 10's table. Now here 628, it can be written in the table of divisible by 2, 628. Now here 206, in the unit place there is a 6, So we are going to write here divisible by 2's table 206. Here 508. We are going to write here in the divisible by 2 508. Now look at the next number. It is a 7009 and in the unit place there is 9. And they tell us which of these numbers are divisible by 2, 5 or by 10. We have to find them. But here the unit place have 9 number. So this number is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 5 and not divisible by 10. So we are not going to write this number in these 3 tables. Now look at the next number 5345. It have 5 in the unit place. So we are going to write here divisible by 5's table 5345. And our last number is 8710. It have 0 in the unit place. So just write it in 2 tables, that divisible by 5 and divisible by 10. 8710, and here also we are going to write 8710. So here our table of divisible by 2 have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Divisible by 5 have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, and divisible by 10 have only 3 numbers. So this is the introduction for divisibility test. In next videos we are going to learn about the divisibility test of 3, 4 and 9. I hope you will understand it and work and recite the test of divisibilities forever, so you can solve the questions easily. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.